Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood Signature Edition 8298 KS. So rear living area, little dividing wall separating the kitchen from the living area, so giving you that 3 distinct separate rooms. Large bedroom slide out, washer dryer prep. Let's get started and take a look. Hey guys, do me a favor, watch to the end of the video. I'll show you a quick clip with the slide outs in, give you an idea what you do and don't have access to. Also, if you have not yet already, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and that bell. The notification will give you a notice when a new camper goes on, new motorhome. You'll be the first one to see new decor, new options, the new floor plans all together. So thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, starting the living room on the 8298 KS. You see the dividing wall separates the living area. Looking at the stone decor, maple cabinetry, side hallway to the bedroom. We'll start right here in the rear living area. You've got opposing trifold sofas. We'll take a look at both of those opened up. All right, real quick setup and breakdown of the trifold sleeper sofas. Velcro tabs on the back, pull from the bottom. Plenty of storage in the back. You can put the cushions, your linens. And if you want to see space in between, you've got a good 1 to 2 feet in between these to make it up to the living area if someone needs to get up during the night. So you got room on either sides and in between. Putting them back into sofas. Again, flipping the back out of the way. And you're all set up. You've got the theater seating with heat, massage, LED lights. LED lights. Spot here for a removable table, like so. Theater seating does recline. Directly across from that TV area. The TV, a swivel arm. You've got solar shades and blackout shades there for the rollers. Nice storage. The RV Technologies stereo system, AM, FM, CD, DVD player. You've got USB and HDMI plugs. You can sync your phone to it. Fireplace does put out heat. It is electric. On either side of the TV, you've got good storage. The windows do open, so you get a good cross breeze in here. Ceiling fan with a light. Skylight. We ordered this with the residential refrigerator. So a nice large freezer. Large oven. Flush mount cover on your range. Nice drawer down low. You do have the large microwave. Nice little hidden charging area that goes down into the countertop. The sink is kind of in the corner, so you gain a little bit of space there as well. 2 large stainless steel sinks, extended spray head, nice deep storage. Your bar area, again, 2 high chairs and a bench. So a very nice living area, ducted AC. If you look in the bedroom, we added the second AC. Your convenience area, again, RV Technologies. You can sync your phone to that. Slides, holding tanks, all your lights and controls inside. Wi-Fi Ranger. Gives you a boost to your Wi-Fi signal at the campground. You do have central vac. That's the quick sweep there at the bottom. Going up the hall, you see nice large assist handle. Nice size shower. Again, I'm 6'5". I'm just barely over the railing. So you do have a couple more inches before you're in the skylight. Sink. Nice storage there as well. Fantastic fan with the cover. Going down the hallway, you see the master bedroom. We ordered with a king-size bed. Nice storage up front. You are prepped for a washer-dryer. Can remove some shelves. And you also have more storage inside. You can remove a shelf for hanging. Under that bed, you got storage down low. Shocks that hold it up for you. We also ordered this with a TV in the bedroom. Nice deep wardrobe drawers. Again, plenty of headroom in here. You do start to drop down towards the front, but again, at 6'5", I'm good to right here. I got about another foot before you need to start ducking a little bit. Moving back down. Give you a good look of the living area from up top. Very popular floor plan. Brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood Signature 8298 KS. All right, moving to the outside. See the frameless windows. Trail air, turning point, hitch pin, storage up front, convenience light, nice thick compartment doors, slam latch, your batteries, your battery disconnect, all in one area. Prep for solar. You have docking lights on the front. 30-pound LP bottle on one side, one on the other. Your controls for your auto leveling. Other side of your pass-through storage. Your docking area for your outside shower, winterization, water hookup. You can feed everything right through the bottom there so you can keep these doors shut. Your inverter, water filtration, nice clean storage area. Another convenience light. Access panel here to the back of the residential refrigerator for the ice maker. We equip this with awning toppers over your slide outs. 50 amp service. Receiver on the back, so you could put a bike rack, storage rack on the back. You've got a 300-pound limit for that. You are prepped for a backup camera and factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Take a look at your roof. 2 ACs, the front one's a low profile. We did the max air covers on 2 vents, TV antenna, your Wi-Fi booster, skylight in the back. Awning toppers over top of your slide outs. Coming down on the door side, you see your outside speakers. spot for your outside griddle. Tees right off your LP. You got a prep table, storage area. You can move a TV outside. Your cable 110 is there. You do have a full-length power awning with the hard sleeve. Protects that awning from not only sunlight but tree limbs. Just prolongs the life of the awning. 4-step, step above entry steps. Shock assist lifts right into the fifth wheel. Nice and clean. Again, we are looking at a dry weight of 9,961 pounds. Friction hinge on the door. And you also have the screenshot. Slams that door for you. Other side of your pass-through storage. And your other 30-pound LP bottle. So brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood Signature Edition 8298 KS. All right, as promised, slide outs in. You do not have access to the refrigerator. I mean, you can put that one slide out a couple feet to get to that. You can still get in the bathroom, no problem. You can get into the bed. But living area wise, with both slides in, a little limited. Guys, thank you again for watching the video. I hope I answered all your questions. If not, please post them down below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, remember to hit that subscribe, thumbs up. Make sure you hit the bell. Again, giving you notice when new campers are put on. I'm putting a few on a week. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV.